Night driving might feel quieter, but it comes with unique risks: reduced visibility, fatigue, and glare from headlights. To stay safe, it's not just about seeing the road, it's about being seen and staying alert. In this video, we'll share essential tips to help you stay sharp, drive safely, and remain visible on the road at night. Tip 1. Use headlights properly. Your headlights are your best ally after dark. Use them correctly. Turn on your dipped beams at least 30 minutes before sunset. Use full beams on unlit roads, but dip them when another vehicle approaches. Keep all your lights clean and working, front and rear. Tip 2. Adjust your speed for darkness. Reduced visibility means you have less time to react. Drive slower than you would during daylight. Increase your following distances. Your stopping distance grows in low light. And be extra cautious in rural areas. Watch for wildlife and poorly lit hazards. Tip 3. Watch for pedestrians and cyclists. People can be hard to see at night, especially in dark clothing. Scan pavements, crossings and road edges. Look for reflective gear on cyclists, but never assume they're going to be visible. Slow down in residential or urban areas after dark. Tip 4. Combat headlight glare. Blinding headlights from other vehicles can throw you off. Don't stare directly at oncoming lights, look slightly to the left. Keep your windscreen clear to reduce glare and halos. Adjust your rearview mirror to night mode if it has one. Tip 5 coming up. First, what's your biggest challenge when driving at night? Glare, staying awake, or spotting hazards? Drop a comment below and let us know. Your experiences could help other drivers stay safe too. Remember to like and subscribe to see the weekly Drive Smart videos. Tip 5. Stay focused and fight fatigue. Fatigue is one of the biggest dangers at night. Only drive if you're well rested. Take a break every 2 hours, more if you feel drowsy. Open a window, play music, or switch drivers to stay alert. Driving at night isn't just about navigating in the dark. It's about adjusting your habits, staying alert, and making yourself visible. Plan ahead, stay sharp, and always drive smart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more weekly road tips and share this video with a friend who drives at night. When you drive smart, you drive safe.